Many people know what a magic square looks like, but they don't know how to build a magic square by themselves. Magic square has one property, that the sum of each row, each column, and each main diagonal is the same. In this 3 times 3 magic square, the sum of each row, each column, and each main diagonal is 15. This number is the magic number. For a 4 times 4 magic square, the magic number is 34. That means the sum of each row, each column, and each main diagonal is 34. This is a 5 times 5 magic square. The magic number is 65. Here, I show you how to build a 3 times 3 magic square. In 3 times 3 magic square, we place the first number in the middle of top row. The following numbers will be placed in a position 1 row up, 1 column to the right of the current one. You may wonder that position will be in the top of the square. In this case, we have an exception. That number will be moved down to the bottom row. For the number 3, that position will be to the right side of the square. So here's another exception. That number will be moved to the leftmost column. For number 4, because the position 1 row up, 1 column right to the number 3 is already occupied by a number. So number 4 will be moved just below number 3. That's another exception. Number 5 and number 6 just simply follow the rule. For number 7, because number 6 is already in the upper right corner of the square, so number 7 just move down below number 6. That's another exception. Number 8 will be moved to the leftmost column. Number 9 will be moved down to the bottom row. That's the final product for 3 times 3 magic square. Next, I will show you another example. That one is 5 times 5 magic square. The first number of 5 times 5 magic square will be placed in the middle of top row. All the followings will be placed in the 1 row up and 1 column right to the current one. When it's on the top of the square, it will be moved down to the bottom row. So we place number 2 in the bottom row. 3 is just following the rule, 1 row up, one column right to the number 2. Number 4 is in the right side of the square. It will be moved to the leftmost column. Number 5 is just following simple rule. One row up, one column right to the number 4. For number 6, because one row up, one column right of the 5, that position already occupied by number. So number 6 is placed just below number 5. Number 7 and number 8 just following the same rule. One row up, one column to the right of the current one. Number 9 will be moved down to the bottom row. Number 10 will be moved to the leftmost column. Because next position was already occupied by number, so number 11 will be placed just below number 10. Number 12, 13, 14, 15, just simply following the rule. One row up, one column to the right of the current one. Because 15 is in the upper right corner, so we place 16 just below 15. Number 17 will be moved to the leftmost column, and number 18 will be moved to the bottom row. Number 19, number 20, just following the simple rule. Number 21, because the position of one row up, one column right of the 20 is already occupied by 16, so just move down, place it below number 20. Number 23 will be moved to the leftmost column. Number 5 will be moved down to the bottom row. In the same way, we can build a 7 times 7 measure square, and also 9 times 9 measure square. Actually, using the same rule and the same exceptions, we can build any size, odd number measure squares. I wrote an Excel VBA code to generate odd number measure square. Here's the code. In the next videos, I will show you how to build even number measure squares. That's 6 times 6, 10 times 10, 14 times 14, 18 times 18, and so on. And double even number measure squares. 4 times 4, 8 times 8, 12 times 12. If you are interested in generating any size measure squares, you can download the Excel VBA code in my website. Thank you for your watching.